Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Here is your English teacher, Ma'am Bushra. Hope you all will be in good health, safe and sound. In our previous lecture, we have learned about simple past tense, and I have told you that simple past tense is used when an action started and finished in the past. Today we are going to do its exercise work, so just turn over to page number 24. This is your English practice book, as you can see. So just turn over to page number 24. On the top of the page, you have to write the day, as it is Wednesday today. So write down Wednesday, classwork, and mention the date here, 1st of July 2020. Simple past tense. A verb in the past tense shows that an action already took place. Any action which already have taken place in the past, that is known as simple past tense. And which form of verb we use for it? We use the second form of verb. There are a few examples given here. It rained yesterday. Now in this sentence, the verb is rained, and this is the second form of rain. Angela watched TV all night. Here we have used the second form of verb watch, watched. Okay, so this shows that this sentence is in a simple past tense. John wanted to go to the museum. Now wanted is the second form of want, as they have used a verb in the past tense, so this makes this whole sentence in a simple past tense. Now your task is question number 1. Underline the simple past tense verbs in the following sentences. Here you are given with some sentences from A till M, and you have to underline those verbs which are in the simple past tense, which are in the second form of verb. Let's start. Barbara ate the whole cake last night. Now here the verb is ate, which is the second form of eat. So I have to underline the verb in the first sentence. Okay. The second one is I saved some money last year. Now here the action verb is saved, and this is the second form of save. So I will underline the simple past tense verb. The third question is, you gave me all the books yesterday. Now here the simple past tense verb is gave, and this is the second form of give. D part, they drank the whole pitcher of the fruit punch. Now here the simple past tense verb is drank. So I will underline the word drank, and this is the second form of drink. E part, we were very happy together. Now here the simple past tense verb is were. Okay. This is an auxiliary verb, this is a helping verb, and for present we use are. Here, as it is the past tense, so we use were. The cat jumped on the tree and the bird flew away. Now in this sentence we have two simple past tense verbs. The first one is jumped, so underline jumped. This is the second form of jump. And the second simple past tense verb is flew. This is the second form of fly. Okay, so in F part we have two simple past tense verbs. Now in the G part, we always cooked together. Here the simple past tense verb is cooked. So underline the word cooked. She arrived in 1978. So the simple past tense verb is arrived, and this is the second form of arrive. Emily and Edward met in Paris. Emily and Edward met in Paris. Here the simple past tense verb is met, and this is the second form of meet. Peter changed his name many years ago. Here simple past tense verb is changed, and this is the second form of change. Julie moved from Canada last month. Here the simple past tense verb is moved. This is the second form of move. The second last part we have here is they sang a few songs together. Here sang is the second form of sing, and this is the simple past tense verb. We had a lot of friends there. Here the second form of verb is had. We had a lot of friends there. Okay, because this is the simple tense will be have, and as this is a simple past tense verb, so it is had. Okay, so this was all about today's lecture. Hope you would have understood. Take care of yourself and those around you. Allah Hafiz.